Do you know this is one of the most delicious, easy and affordable recipe you need to try? Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bussy, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make this Pomo and roasted fish sauce. In order not to waste your time, let's go right into it. These are the ingredients you need to make your Pomo sauce. This is our grated pepper, tomatoes and onion, our washed and diced Pomo, our washed, rinsed, deboned roasted fish, our sliced onion, salt for taste, our cooking oil and one seasoning cube, and these are all the ingredients you need. So in the pot we're just going to add our cooking oil, then we're going to add our onion and allow it to saute for some seconds before we'll add our Pomo to it. Then we're just going to mix together and allow it to sit for some seconds. Then we're going to add our seasoning cube, mix together. Then we'll add our grated pepper and tomato. Mind you, I also added a little bit of ginger and garlic to it while grating it. So I'm just making sure it's properly seated. Then I'm going to cover it and allow it to sit between 7 to 9 minutes, and after that this is what we have. So I'm just going to mix this together and add my deboned roasted fish. Then I'm also going to mix together again. Then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to sit. Then after another 5 minutes on a low heat, this is what we have. At this stage our sauce is ready, and I always advise you to taste in order for you to adjust its seasoning, then you serve. And this is what we have. So easy, right? So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for everyone, and most especially thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.